In February 2026, a bold plan is taking shape in Ontario, Canada, building 100 Saab Gripen fighters for Ukraine. Canada, known for politeness and maple syrup, is teaming up with Sweden, famed for clever fighter jets, to create a transatlantic production line for freedom. This isn't just aid, it's a strategic alliance with royal backing and major implications. In late 2025, Sweden's King Carl XVI Gustaf led a delegation to Ottawa, pitching the urgent need for modern jets in Ukraine and Sweden's inability to meet demand alone. Canada's world-class aerospace industry made it the perfect partner. The plan transformed Ukraine's air force, elevate Canada from buyer to co-producer, and send a clear message to aggressors. It's a win for all. Ukraine gets jets, Sweden expands Gripen's reach, and Canada revitalizes its aerospace sector. This is more than building planes, it's building alliances, jobs, and a new role for Canada on the world stage. The world is watching as Canada and Sweden rewrite the rules of defense cooperation. This ambitious fighter jet plan builds on a proven partnership between Saab and Canada's Bombardier. Together, they've already delivered the GlobalEye, a top-tier spy plane, blending Swedish tech with Canadian engineering. The GlobalEye's initial assembly happens in Ontario, then heads to Sweden for final military outfitting, proof that transatlantic teamwork works. The supply chains, engineering teams, and project managers are already in sync. Expanding to full-scale fighter jet assembly is a logical next step, not a leap into the unknown. The GlobalEye success shows Canada can meet the demanding standards of modern military aircraft. Trust and experience are the secret sauce. Without them, this plan would be a pipe dream. Now, with the groundwork laid, building Gripens in Ontario is a natural evolution. It's not just a contract, it's a partnership forged on the factory floor, ready for its biggest challenge yet. Ukraine's Air Force faces a brutal reality: outdated Soviet jets against modern Russian aircraft. Western F-16s help, but Ukraine needs a diverse, resilient fleet. Enter the Saab Gripen. Designed for rugged conditions, the Gripen can operate from damaged runways or highways, crucial as Russian missiles target airfields. Its low maintenance and rapid turnaround mean more jets in the air, more often. Unlike other fighters, Gripens can be serviced by small teams with minimal training. The intuitive cockpit and advanced avionics speed up pilot retraining, a vital edge when every pilot counts. Saab's track record proves it can get air forces combat-ready fast. Ukraine doesn't just need jets, it needs a sustainable, deployable air force, and the Gripen delivers exactly that. This is about survival, speed, and staying power. Building Gripens in Ontario is a massive economic win for Canada. The project promises up to 10,000 high-skilled, long-term jobs in engineering, manufacturing, and tech. Saab's full technology transfer means Canadian companies gain access to cutting-edge fighter jet know-how. This knowledge will ripple through Canada's aerospace sector, driving innovation and global competitiveness. Politically, it's a powerful move, supporting Ukraine, asserting sovereignty amid US trade tensions, and resonating with Canada's Ukrainian community. For too long, Canada has been a buyer. Now it becomes a builder and innovator. A made-in-Canada fighter jet is a symbol of national pride and industrial strength. When the world needs help, Canada rolls up its sleeves and gets to work. The Gripen plan arrives as Canada faces delays and soaring costs with its F-35 order. The F-35 fleet won't be fully operational until the 2030s, leaving a capability gap as CF-18s age. Rising US trade tensions have Ottawa rethinking total reliance on American jets. The Gripen offers diversification, industrial benefits, and a jet better suited to Canada's geography. Public opinion is shifting. Most Canadians now favour Gripens or a mixed fleet over F-35 exclusivity. Critics warn of higher costs, but the Nordic model shows mixed fleets can work and strengthen defense. The likely outcome: Canada reduces its F-35 order, supplements with Canadian-built Gripens, and gains strategic flexibility. This approach boosts jobs, sovereignty, and resilience. It's a pragmatic compromise for a changing world. The Ontario Gripen project marks Canada's leap from defense customer to prime contractor. It's a shift from the sidelines to center stage, shaping and exporting advanced military technology. The war in Ukraine has exposed the need for resilient allied supply chains. Canada's Gripen line is the answer. This multinational effort, Swedish design, Canadian production, Ukrainian use, sets a new standard for collaborative defense. Canada gains influence, credibility, and a bigger voice in NATO and global security discussions. It's not just about jets, it's about building the tools that defend the alliance's eastern flank. Canada's investment signals it's ready for a leadership role in collective defense. In today's world, industrial capacity is power, and Canada is stepping up. Building Gripens in Ontario could reshape the future for Ukraine, Canada, and Sweden. For Ukraine, 100 modern fighters mean real air defense and long-term security. For Canada, it's a rebirth of its aerospace industry, thousands of jobs, and a new reputation as a proactive middle power. For Sweden and Saab, it's a strategic win, expanding Gripen's reach and forging a powerful industrial alliance. This project is a blueprint for future multinational defense cooperation. It's a rare convergence of the right tool, partner, and moment in history. The Ontario Gripen plan is about more than jets. It's about building a safer, more stable future. When nations collaborate, the roar of factory machines becomes the sound of peace and security.